Total net profit $1,380. Hello traders, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are introducing a powerful new addition to your trading setup, the FXRocket Expert Advisor. This powerful bot is optimized for major GOLD US 30 pairs. Using a trend-based smart martingale strategy, it comes with optimized presets ready to use. We also offer a free trial version, so you can test it risk-free. Single account for lifetime €189. Or get lifetime access for €299. Let's jump into Mount Fort to see how it works. Installation is simple. Just drag the bot to your chart. Here in the inputs, you have full control, but don't worry, our optimized presets do the hard work for you. Just load, click OK, and you are live. We also put FXRocket through rigorous backtesting. Watch how it handles price movements. Even during market spikes, the smart trend logic keeps the account safe and closes baskets in profit. It's built for longevity. This way, we can monitor the equity curve in real time while watching the trades execute on the chart. Take a look at this curve. The bot is performing really well here. Even with the market fluctuating, it's keeping the drawdown low and steadily increasing the balance. Starting with an initial deposit of just $1,000. Finally, let's look at the numbers in the report. The strategy generated a massive $1,380 total net profit. The risk was kept under control with a maximal drawdown of just 25%. And most importantly, the accuracy is consistent with a 65% win rate. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more profitable tools. Happy trading!